Do you want to turn your aloe vera into real shampoo at home? I'll show you how in 3 simple ways, from beginner friendly to commercial quality. Welcome to the channel. 3 years ago, I posted a video on the easiest way to make aloe vera shampoo at home. It was so simple, even kids could do it. In today's video, I'll show you 3 different ways to make aloe vera shampoo. First, we'll start with the easiest method. Then, a simple sulfate-free version. And finally, a shampoo that looks and feels like something from the store, but made at home. In this video, I won't be showing you how to extract or prepare aloe vera gel for hair anymore. But don't worry, there's a detailed video on that already on this channel. I'll put the link in the description box below. Let's get started. This one's as easy as it gets. Just mix aloe vera gel into your favorite store-bought shampoo. I've got one of the more popular brands here. Now this isn't an aloe vera shampoo, but we're about to turn it into one. Simply add the liquid aloe vera gel to it, between 20% to 50%, depending on your preference. You're not just adding the benefits of aloe vera, you're also making your shampoo gentler. And the best part? You'll save money. By adding aloe vera, you can turn 1 bottle of shampoo into 2. If the mixture turns a bit runny, just sprinkle in a little salt to thicken it up. But be careful, too much salt can actually make it watery again. And while salt can add volume and texture to your hair, it can also dry it out if overused. Now just one thing to remember. This method shortens the shelf life of your shampoo. The original preservative may not be enough once you add aloe vera. So if you go this route, just make a small batch to use within a week. Let's take it up a notch. This time, we'll be making a sulfate-free shampoo from scratch. I'll list all the ingredients at the end of this section. First, we start with liquid aloe vera gel, prepared for hair use. Then add decyl glucoside. It's a mild, plant-derived surfactant that gently cleanses without stripping natural oils. Perfect for sensitive scalps, dry or curly hair, even for babies. Next, we add cocamidopropyl betaine. This boosts the lather, giving you that rich, foamy texture we all love. It also helps condition the hair and reduces frizz. Then, we mix in cationic gargum and xanthan gum soft. But before adding them, hydrate both in glycerin first. This prevents clumping and helps everything blend smoothly. Cationic gargum thickens the shampoo and adds conditioning power. While xanthan gum soft, a finer version of regular xanthan gum, improves texture and spreadability, giving the shampoo that luxurious, easy to pour feel. Now add hydrolyzed keratin. This is basically protein for your hair. It helps repair, strengthen, and protect. Then comes the fragrance. I'm using aloe scent to match our main ingredient, aloe vera. And finally, add the preservative. Preservatives are crucial. They stop mold, yeast, and bacteria from growing, so your shampoo stays safe and fresh. Now let your shampoo mixture rest for at least 2 hours, so the gums fully hydrate. This is your finished product. It already has a nice thickness, and it'll get even thicker over the next few days. Pour it into your favorite container, and you're done. Before we move on to the next version, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate it if you would. This channel is all about aloe vera, from planting and care tips to recipes for skin, hair, and even food. Now for the advanced one, a shampoo that looks, feels, and performs like the ones on store shelves. Only better because you made it. Start with liquid aloe vera gel. Next, add sodium lauryl sulfate, a gentler alternative to the harsher SLS. It still gives you that great foam and deep clean. Then, add alpha olefin sulfonate. This is another surfactant. You can actually skip the sodium lauryl sulfate if you want it to be 100% sulfate-free. But combining both gives an extra luxurious lather and excellent cleansing. You'll need to stir and be patient. These take time to dissolve in aloe vera gel. Now add glycerin, our moisture magnet. It draws hydration into the hair and scalp, helping prevent dryness and frizz. Then add cocamide monoethanolamine. This ingredient helps with foaming, emulsifying, and improving viscosity. Next is glycol distearate, which gives that beautiful pearlescent, creamy look. Now for the conditioning agents, add polyquaternium 7 and cetrimonium chloride. These help reduce tangles, static, and frizz, making your hair smoother, shinier, and more manageable. Then comes panthenol, also known as provitamin B5. It conditions and strengthens your hair while keeping it soft and hydrated. Add your fragrance oil of choice. At this point, the mixture still won't feel thick enough. So add cocamidopropyl betaine. It not only softens and conditions, but also interacts with other surfactants to boost viscosity, making the shampoo thicker and creamier. Now the mixture becomes noticeably thicker. Beautiful. Finally, add your preservative and a small amount of citric acid to adjust the pH. Healthy hair and scalp prefer a slightly acidic pH, around 4.5 to 5.5. Citric acid helps bring your shampoo to the right balance. And that's it. You now have a rich, commercial-style aloe vera shampoo made right in your kitchen. Pour it into a nice container and enjoy. I hope you learned something new today. This is Danny. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. And as always, God bless you.